here is another 5 marks to collect in an exam. Okay, determine the general solution of. So remember the 5 steps to follow. Simplify, we divide by the 2 in both sides, then this side you will have the cos of x. This one is a bit different from the one that we did last time. You have 2 trig ratios in an equation, the cos and the sin. What to do in this case, check first their angles. The angles are not the same. You have to apply the cofunction. Well, the cofunction of sin of an angle, up to you to choose to work with the sin throughout the equation, or you'll work with the cos. So I will change the cos. Cofunction of cos, it's sin into 90 minus. So sin 3x plus. Instead of writing the cos, you write its cofunction. Equation have the same trig ratio. Another thing that you have to know is that the 90 minus, it's become reference angle. The 90 minus becomes the reference angle. Yes, I know it's a bit weird, but so now in this case you can drop the sin. Therefore you'll have the 3x plus 20 degrees is equals to 90 minus nx. Remember, I said this is our reference angle. Once you have the reference angle, you therefore choose the quadrant. So to choose the quad, before we can drop the sin in both sides was positive. So this is simply means we choose where the sin is positive. In the Cartesian plane, the sin is positive in the first quad and the second quad. So in first quad, so we write the left hand side from the reference angle. The left hand side is 3x plus 20 degrees is equal to, remember in the first quad it's 0 plus a reference angle, so any number plus 0 will be that number. So it's going to be 90 minus x. Then we introduce the k times the, we solve for x, transpose to the side, the 20 to the side, there will be 4x and is equals to 70 plus k. Then you divide by 4. The first possible solution of x is 70 divided by 4. It's 17,5 degrees plus k. 360 divided by 4 is 90 degrees. Again, the sin is positive in the second quad. In second quad, it's 180 minus. Back to the reference angle, whatever that is on the left hand side, we always write it. On the left hand side, we have 3x plus 20 degrees is equals to, then in second quad, 180 minus. This is second. An angle of 90 minus, it's a to introduce the brackets, 90 minus x, then plus k. Then to simplify, remove the brackets by multiplying each term with the negative sign. So we keep the 3x plus 20 degrees is equals to 180. Negative times 90, it's negative 90. Negative times negative is positive x plus k. Solve for x by transposing the x to the left hand side. 3x minus x is equals to 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees. Then transpose the 20 to the side, become negative 20 plus k. That would be 2x is equals to, the difference of the 2, it's 70 degrees plus k. Divide by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35 plus k. 360 divided by 2 is 180 degrees. So this is the second possible solution of an equation. So the trick was to know how to apply the cofunction so that you can work with one trig ratio in an equation. Thank you and bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share.